Stacy. I'm from Jackson City School, and the name of my grant is Picture Perfect. Just to recap my problem of practice, I have a yearbook staff, and we didn't have a camera to use for yearbook pictures. So we were all relying on our cell phones, which, don't get me wrong, cell phones are great, but they're not always the best. Our school's gym has very poor lighting, and that's where most of the school's major events take place. And any kind of sports pictures, if any of you have taken sports pictures with cell phones, they're kind of blurry, any kind of action shots. And this is what I received with my grant, a Canon Rebel camera. We also got 2 lenses, a camera bag, and a memory card. And these are 2 members of my yearbook staff. This is when we received the new camera, taking the camera. And this was the first time we ever used the camera. And I want to show you an example. The picture on the left was taken with the Canon camera. The picture on the right was taken with my cell phone. Exact same time, so you can see the difference. And this was just experimenting with the new camera. Same picture. The left is with flash and the right is without flash. These are unedited pictures taken in the gym. Remember, I said the gym has very poor lighting. This was our annual Dr. Seuss program. But see the vivid colors and how bright they are. These are all unedited. These are a couple of yearbook pictures. The left is our girls basketball team. The right is our Unite Club, both taken with the new camera, unedited pictures. These are some more pictures of events in the gym, because that was my chief complaint. The left was a drama club production. I think it was at the Holiday Bazaar in the fall. The right was also our Dr. Seuss program. This was a play put on by our drama club. The left was my, sophomore English class. They performed Frosty the Snowman at the Holiday Bazaar. And then the right was, I believe those are first graders performing at the Holiday Bazaar. And I put new stage, and in retrospect, this is our renovated stage in the cafeteria. We got a grant to renovate this used to be our stage to perform on. And then years ago, walls were put up and the curtains were taken down. But we received a grant to renovate the stage. So this was the first drama production, or first full-length play performed on the renovated stage in 30 years. So these are some pictures taken with the new camera. And here's some more pictures. And with the grant, they also received some professional lighting, so the pictures are supposed to look like that. And I want to thank Beck for the grant. Now we don't have to worry about having quality pictures in our yearbook. And my district technology coordinator, Jeff Coots, is also here with me, and our innovation coordinator. I wanted to especially thank him because he knows how much I hate to present. You can hear my shaky voice, and you probably think, how is this woman a teacher? But he was also my high school math teacher, and he has always pushed me to do my best and be my best, and he's the one who pushed me to put in for this grant. And we are so thankful for this grant. Thank you. Anybody have any questions? I can talk in front of teenagers all day, but when I get in a room full of adults, I've got the sweaty palms and the shaky voice, and the whole deal going on. Thank you.